All right, want to make some bone broth?
I do.
Our first episode of Cooking with Q. We're going to make some bone broth chicken, which is, of course, pasture-raised. We don't want pesticides in the bones. We're going to be extracting all the collagen from the bones. So we want to make sure that our chicken is pasture-raised and all the good things and organic and clean.
Season liberally with salt, pepper, paprika, poultry seasoning, and stuff it with lemons for lots of flavor.
Saute.
Add butter or coconut oil or ghee and brown the chicken.
All right. We got our fresh thyme.
While the chicken is browning, chop up all the produce and get it ready to throw in for your broth. Be sure to wash it really well.
Mr. Bird.
Then flip the bird to brown the other side.
There we go.
There he is.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Woo!
Add 1 cup of water and pressure cook the bird for 15 to 17 minutes, depending on how big it is. Pull it out and then remove all of the meat from the carcass. You can store that and save it for meals throughout the week. Add it to salads or make it into other dishes.
What do you think? Good? Yeah. Stuff back in. Mr. Chick.
Produce.
Add in all of the produce and then fill the Instant Pot to the fill line with fresh filtered water. Lock the lid back on and pressure cook the broth for 2 to 2.5 hours. Remove the container safely with some pot holders and drain the solids. You can toss those to the side and then store your fresh, delicious broth in glass jars.
Good taste.
That's good.
It's good.
That's good. This does not taste like the store.
Not
like
out of the
at
box.
all.
No.